Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your content stand out by using the captions generator in Gemini. So if you want to post, for example, Instagram post, and you can easily ask a Gemini to write you an awesome caption. So here I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, you can just open the Gemini app, and here you can upload the image that you want to create its caption first. Click on this upload image, and then just choose the image that you want. And here, let's say I'm going to upload this on my Instagram. Now you can just write the prompt. So you can give a context first to the photo. For example, act here. I'm going to just act as a advertiser, right? On engaging captions to describe this moisturizer product for millennials and right and engage for the attached photos that I want to post on Instagram. For example, you just write like this, and after that you can submit this prompt and also the photo, and just wait until the Gemini generating the captions for you. So there are a few options in here. You can see this is the option 1 is short and sweet, and the option 2 sound playful and relatable, and the option 3 is benefit focused. So you can just choose which one that you think suits your photos the best. And here, if you like it, you can just copy the result and paste it maybe on your Instagram. And the Gemini also suggests me to add the relevant hashtag like this. You can just copy again like the ones before. Or in here, you can also modify it again by clicking on this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.